Hi, Nick. It's Mrs. Johansson. I'm sorry you're not feeling well, sweetie. I'm sending you this video just because I figured it's a little bit easier if you're going to do any work. It's a little bit easier for you to do the work, me explaining it versus writing it in an email. So in Google Classroom, I posted three articles, okay? The three articles are about problems that are happening in the environment with food. So then I also posted a Google Doc with a chart. So between today and tomorrow, only if you're up to it. If not, I'll fill you in on Wednesday, okay? There are three problems that we identified as a class today. They're in the Google Doc. So the problems that are happening is, the first problem is that people are wasting food. So think about all of the food that people wasted just Thanksgiving alone. Everyone had a couple of spoons of leftover food, right? That we threw away. Think about all the pumpkins that we threw away right after Halloween. This is all food. The second problem is that a lot of these foods are causing greenhouse gases that are going into the environment. They're going and they're getting trapped in the atmosphere. And because of that, the earth is getting hotter and is causing global warming, right? So for example, one of the articles, the one that talks about pumpkins release methane when they're rotting, right? And that's bad for the environment. So that's another problem that we're having with food, an effect of food. And then the third problem that we found is that we're using so many resources to make the food. How many farmers do we need? How many, all the electric, all the gasoline, think about the diesel that the trucks have to use, right? To transport the food. So those are all resources, and then we come and we have a burger and we throw away half of it, right? So you're going to read the three articles. Two of them you read last week, and then you're going to find 1 to 2 pieces of evidence for each one of the problems, and you're going to write them and fill in the chart. So today we read the articles, we underlined the evidence, but we have not done the chart. So since mommy's helping you, if mommy can read them to you, and then if you could fill in the chart, that's fine. Now, for problem number 3, hint, hint, I'm giving you a hint that the other class doesn't have, that the class doesn't have. Hint, hint. For problem number 3, there's only evidence for that problem in one of the articles. I think it's source number 1, okay? And for problem number 1 and problem number 2, there is evidence in more than one source, okay? I hope you feel better, sweetheart. Bye.